Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're in a bit of a different location, if you can't tell. We are going to be going through my wardrobe, and I put this off for a little while because it does feel like summer here, but I haven't gone through my closet to declutter yet and put away any of my winter clothes. So we're gonna do that today, and I'm gonna have a little bit of a different sort of three piles. I'm gonna have a sale slash donate pile, a keep pile, a store pile, and then a fourth one. I said three, but I mean four. I'm gonna have a fourth pile for items that I'm going to change up pretty drastically. So I'm gonna have a separate pile for that and like any other alterations. So let's get into it. So this is my closet. I tried to start this video last night and it didn't work out. So it's just kind of like a mess. I just kind of threw everything in here. But I separate my closet through like really washed out. I'm really pale anyway, but so I separate my closet the konmarie, like using the konmarie method. So I have like heavy like jackets and sweatshirts down here on the left side, and they go by height and color. And then I have dresses. My closet is not organized very well like this right now. I'm sorry that like the white balance is so crazy. Like I look almost as white as this wall, but still figuring out how to use my camera. I think I stopped the clicking. I put it on manual focus, so if it doesn't work, I guess next time it's the other focus, but let me... Is that doing anything? That's not doing anything. I'll stop playing with it for now. And then I have dresses, then I have pants and skirts, and then I have cardigans and sweaters, button-ups, button-ups, long sleeve shirts, 3/4 length, t-shirts, tank tops, all down the row. And my battery is dying and I just started filming. I'm gonna keep going and see when it stops. So I'm just gonna start from this end and work my way down. So this first item of clothing, I actually thrifted this. It was kind of expensive, it was like 50 bucks, but I needed this leopard fuzzy coat. It'd be perfect for like fall, winter. I wore it like twice, but it's so cute and you can wear it on a night out. So cute. So I'm definitely keeping that. This is just a plain black blazer that I'm probably gonna keep in my wardrobe year round because I don't want to fold it or anything. But I'm gonna be keeping this. I'm probably not going to store any of my jackets unless, I can't tell if I'm in focus, I'm sorry, unless I put them in my downstairs closet where my other jackets are. So I might do that, or I'll just leave them in my closet up here. This is a jacket. Well, this is the suit jacket that I hand tailored. Most of it, except for like these seams that you see, is all done by hand by me. Lining is sewn in by hand by me. My welt pockets, and you can see I was talking about welt pockets I think in another video, how it's already drooping, and I have not worn this one time. I just opened up the pocket, and then I also did welt buttonholes, which were a pain in the butt. But yeah, I handmade this with my two little paws. So that, again, I'm going to keep up here year round because I don't want it to get wrinkled. I'm never gonna fold that. This is more of an athletic jacket that I might just put away because I honestly haven't worn it in like forever because I dried it so many times, and it's Lululemon, you're not supposed to dry them, but I'll keep it anyway because it was expensive. Oh, and also I'm going to be getting to hangers that are actually backwards. I put them backwards so that I put all my stuff in my closet backwards when I put it back in, so that I know what I have and haven't worn. But I'm actually, since like some of the summer stuff I haven't worn yet, and then because I moved in like the start-ish middle of winter, I didn't wear a lot of my winter clothes, so I'm not going to like really get rid of any of my winter clothes. I might just put it away for now, but we'll see as we go. But this I just got at Uniqlo and it was $20, and it is the fuzziest, comfiest thing ever, and I still wear it when it's like super chilly inside. Oh, my jean jacket. I've literally had this forever, like 10 years plus, from Forever 21, and it stayed, I never wore it, it stayed in the hallway of my parents' house, or at least in the basement, and no joke, I have washed it about 16 times and it still smells like basement. I don't think it'll ever come out. Oh, and I can smell it already. It's making my unicorn onesie smell. So this I usually wear on Halloween because when else am I going to wear this? So I'm gonna put this away for this coming Halloween. This is one of my house coats. I'm a house coat queen. I got this, there's a stain on it, oh my gosh. Got this at Etam in Paris. I love it. It makes me sweat. It's not very like nice in that aspect, but it's my Paris robe and I can never get rid of it. And it's my summer robe. So that's staying. This is just a dress I wear to Christmas parties, so I don't really want to fold it because I don't want it to get wrinkled, so I'm going to leave it up here for now. Battery died, but I'm back. So just going through my dresses right now, which most of them I haven't worn, so I'm just going to put them in my keep pile. This is actually one of the pieces that is a little too big. I got this from Fat Face, and I needed like a 0 or a 2, and I think this is a US 4. This is a 4, so the crotch depth is actually really, really long for me, and like the crotch to like low back, bust area, I don't know, it's just really, really long. And the sides are, it's a little bit too big, like I pull it as tight as I can and it's still a little big. So this is one of the projects that I'm going to work on. These two, I know I keep talking about like everything, but these two are really special. So these dresses, this one was gifted to me before I went to Paris 4 years ago by my sister, and I wore it to, I didn't wear it to Paris, but I wore it like the second day in London, and I have pictures of me in it. It's like one of my favorite dresses because it just like went around the world with me, almost. Not really around the world. And then this dress, I wore it all the time. It's a little short now because of like washing it, but I got it from H&M on the Champs-Elysees, and it's a super simple pattern, so I might even like trace it and recreate it, which is amazing because like I don't ever want this dress to like leave me. This is where I went to school, and I really hope it's focusing. I'm sorry if it's like not. I'm still trying to learn how to use this camera, and I can't tell from far away if it's like actually focused. I don't know. Let me just move it up a little more. I've never worked with like a manual focus, autofocus, anything, so. It's like right here is where like my vision is like slightly blurry. This is a super comfy cardigan that I'll probably wear to work. It's like super cold at work most of the time, so like the AC is like blasting all the time. So I'll probably wear this pretty often to work. This is from LuLaRoe, and I never wore it. I thought I would wear it with like a belt around the waist, but the fabric is that type that makes you feel cold all the time. So this is going to go in the for sale / donate pile. And if you guys have any questions about a piece of clothing that I have, just shoot me a comment down below and I'll let you know like where I got it, what year and everything, in case it's like not in stock anymore. This romper, I have another story about this romper. I got this in Paris, and it's from, I'm always like, oh, I got it in Paris, whatever. I got it from Subdued, and it has this like really pretty like all lace back. It's just really comfortable, and I think it's an Italian company, and they just have like really cute clothes. I'm going to donate these. I don't think they're in style for me anymore. I always feel weird like giving away my clothes, because I always used to think like when I was little too, like what's gonna happen to it? Is it gonna have a nice home? Probably better than mine because I'm not wearing it. These two skirts I'm definitely keeping. This back one is just an A-line skirt that I used to wear to like interviews. It's a good staple to have. And then this skirt I got from Abercrombie & Fitch, and I love it. It's a little faded, but it's actually really comfy, and I can like make another pattern out of it if I want. And also these hangers I got from the Container Store, and they're pretty cool because I didn't have any like pants hangers, but they have like a little hook on the front so you can like make an outfit and set everything out. The only thing is that it came with 4 and like the work week is 5 days, but you can get over it. These 2 skirts are more like fall skirts, so I'm gonna store them away for now. And I'm a little skeptical if I'm ever gonna wear this skirt again, but I'll store them away and see in the fall if I'm actually gonna wear them again. So this is actually a cardigan that I made. It looks like really weird. The pattern was not the best pattern and I'm kind of not happy about it, but I definitely am going to put this away because it's way too hot to wear this. It's like, I forgot what kind of fur, Angora or something, or like fake Angora, but it's really, really warm. And also I'm going to be thinking of new storage for underneath my closet because I really shouldn't be hanging knits like this because I saw in the back that it was stretching, and you don't want your knits, especially handmade ones, to stretch like that. So I bought this like 2 years ago and I think I wore it like twice. It's so cute, but I just don't think it's my style, and I think it would have a better home somewhere that's not with me. So I'm covered in sweaters right now. I'm just gonna take all my sweaters down and store them. But this is another sweater that I got from Paris. I know I keep talking about it, but how cute is this? I don't think I'll ever get rid of it. It's also from Etam, and I literally would want to wear this every single day if I could, because it's like not too hot, not too cold. It's really cute. But I'm gonna put it away for the summer, along with all of these. Can you guys tell that I'm obsessed with Paris yet? I even have my Eiffel Tower tattoo. You can't really see very well. My battery died mid-story, but also I switched it back to autofocus because I think the past videos were a little blurry. But if anyone has the Canon G7X Mark II, let me know what setting you put it on so that it doesn't click like that. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. I was talking about this top. So I was in an interview in New York with my boyfriend, and we were just walking through the streets of New York, and I just started playing this game. It's called Neko Atsume, or Atsume, I'm not sure how to say it, it's a Japanese name. But this girl in front of us was with her boyfriend, she was wearing the sweater, and I was like, oh my god, that's my game that I play, blah blah blah. And he literally like went up to her and like tapped her on the shoulder, scared the daylights out of her because like who does that in New York? I was even like, I don't think you should do that. But she got it on Amazon, and I think he got it for me for like my birthday or something. But that's the story about this shirt. I think I wore it once, but it's sentimental, so it's something that I don't really want to get rid of. But it definitely will go in my pile for storage. I didn't realize I had so many thermals. I got this from a local shop that sells Hawaiian t-shirts. The company on here says Two Paddles, and it's made in Hawaii. The shop that I got this from actually only, I think, sells Hawaiian t-shirts, but they're all authentic, and they didn't have any in the small or extra small, so I got a large because I really like the pineapple pattern. And I thought it was interesting that they actually used the wrong side of the fabric because the inside is clearly the right side. But I'm thinking of, I don't know if this is like taboo to like alter a Hawaiian shirt, but I wanted to make a dress out of it, and that's going to be a video that I will do for you guys in I think like a few months maybe, because it's going to be a lot of work to get through. Thank you, mood. Merci. Game of Thrones. Okay, and that is everything that's hung up in my closet. I do have some clean clothes like in a hamper over here, but those are all items that I'm going to be wearing. so I'm not gonna really go through them. I know what's in there. I also have this like clothing thing over here, if you can see that. I'm not gonna go through it because everything, like I know everything that's in here. I don't think at this time that I want to get rid of anything, but I might want to just like reorganize it because it's a little messy. But yeah, now I'm going to just hang everything up, but in category, like if it's a tank top, t-shirt, etc. Few more things that are in my laundry right now from the other day, but I think that, I don't know, that makes me feel so much better. A lot of the sweaters are taken off. I can actually reach like these sides over here, which is good because most of my shoes are over here, and then like some sportswear and shorts are on this side. So yeah, I think that's a lot cleaner and a lot better. Although, do you guys ever like look at your wardrobe like this and think like it looks kind of ugly, but like you like the pieces in it? I don't know. I wish it was more put together on the outside. I don't know if that makes sense. But I'm also going to be looking into like different storage options because right now I just have my shoes on the floor. And if I want to put like bins back there of my other clothing that I'm not wearing at the time, that would be helpful to like have something more forward that I could put my shoes in, like little cubby bins. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Give the video a big thumbs up and check out my links down below. I'll have my Instagram on there and my Twitter. I use Instagram a lot more. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!